Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will do Chapter 18 Penguin. Chapter 18 Penguin from Art and Activity Skill Book. Take out your white and green color book. Take out your book fast. Color the penguin according to the color code. According to the color code. Now see the color codes. Yellow, black, blue, purple. Yellow in A, black in B, blue in C and purple in D. Then we will start from A, means we will start from yellow color. Now take out your yellow color. Take out your yellow color fast. Take out your yellow color and find out where is A. This. Where is A? This. Now start coloring yellow in A column. Start coloring yellow in A column. Again find out where is another A. This. Start coloring. Very good. Now find out there is another A. No. Now take out your black color. B. Now find out where is B. B for ball. Where is B for ball? This. Start coloring black in this column. All of you are enjoying? Yes. Start coloring and do it neatly, okay? Fill the gaps. Cuties, fill the gaps. Another B. This. Another B. This. Now we have filled the column of B. Okay. Now we will take C. C means blue color. Take out your blue color and find out C. This. Start coloring in this blue color. In C, we will do blue color. Another C. This. Start coloring. Another C. This. Again, where is C? This. Again, C. This. This. Again, tell me where is C? This. I hope you enjoying a lot. Now find out another C. This. Find out another C, beta. This. Again, this. Now, only D is left. D for dog, D for donkey, D for doll. Okay? Now, find out where is D. Take out your purple color. Take out your purple color. D. This is this one. And another this. Another this. This. Where is D? This. 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 Another purple. This. And this. D this. And in this. Now tell me, what is this? This is penguin. Our penguin is finished. Complete it fast. Complete it fast. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class. Bye-bye. Take care.